Greetings, CodeJam participants. We are Business Like Buffaloes, and this is our game, Boxed In. It's a bit of a story about Bob, who gets kidnapped by a mysterious group of people and thrown into the wilderness. However, what he soon realizes is that he's actually trapped inside of a box, a big box that encompasses a village as well as a few other buildings. So when it comes to thinking inside the box, Bob literally needs to think inside the box to escape. So it's a bit of an ASCII game. We've got some music going on, a bit of mini games. And yeah, I'll give you a bit of a showcase of it.
So for running the game, we just type Python 3 and first screen.py. It starts. So the start screen is mainly the play button, the help button, the exit button, and this character moving on the start screen. And the help button shows a manual, while the exit buttons make you exit the app, and the play button starts the game. So shall we start the game? Yes. At the screen, you will see a blue object, and it is our player. It is movable, and it can move in all directions. And you can show the collision check that it doesn't collide with objects. Yeah. Now at the bottom, you might be seeing some text written like "Welcome, Ben." But those are some quests, and like if you want some spoilers, like we will add in the docs to like how to pass this mission.
You can go over here. Oh, we also got a little lake down there. So we got a little narrator at the bottom as well. So a bit of welcome, Bob. You may be wondering, where the hell am I? Well, this is our facility. I'll let you guys pause and read that if you want. But yeah, we need to look for the witch, who's over here in this little Minecraft-esque witch's hut. Press X there. Oh my, who are you? Get away, I'll curse you. So, and the narrator asked us to ask for the potion, so we're just going to do that. We've got a little puzzle there about a rod spinning on a circular disc, so that answer for that I already know. But yeah, we've got the potion, we can drink that. Oh, swimming through the lake in order to cross back, because paths are overrated. And yeah, we can go back to the village. And yeah, it's a bit of a demo of, that's a little bit of a demo. If you want, you can check out our GitHub repo to play the entire game. These here are trees. So each time I move, the whole scene gets rendered. So that allows us to pass inside of entities like this, collidable entities at least. The trees are collidable, so can't pass through those. Got some tents here representing the village. And yeah, here is the edges of the box, so we can't actually escape out of there. And completely trapped. Got a little bar here as well. So, but yeah, we have different mini games. We have some riddles. We have a game of Hangman as well as a maze. And the goal of which, once we've completed all the quests listed in the top right, is to escape the box. But yeah, hopefully you like this little demo.
Also hidden inside is a hangman game in which the user has to guess the word, and a maze game which you have to find inside the quest.
Thank you for the opportunity, and looking forward to the next code jam.